Ozone layer. The ozone layer is a crucial planetary boundary that protects the Earth from harmful ultraviolet radiations. Human activities, particularly the use of chlorofluorocarbons and the other ozone-depleting substances, have significantly impacted these boundaries. Efforts to mitigate these impacts include international agreement that promotes ozone layer recovery. Monitoring and strict adherence to this protocol are vital to stay within safe planetary boundaries for the ozone layer.
The chemical pollution boundary has been expanded and renamed novel entities created entirely by us humans. The emission of toxic compounds such as synthetic organic pollutants and radioactive materials, most common novel entities in our environment, is these tiny plastic particles. This formed by breaking away the larger plastic particles that have fragmented over time as microplastic. To mitigate the breaching boundaries in Earth is to maintain cleanliness of the environment and use to disposing materials in order. Ocean acidification, sometimes called climate change, is equally evil twin. Its significance and harmful consequences of excess carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Ocean acidifications occur when the carbon dioxide is absorbed rapidly into the ocean. However, human activities have fundamentally altered the ocean chemical composition, causing of marine ecosystems shrinked mostly their habitual places of livings, causing of calamity changes. To mitigate the breaching boundaries in Earth is to plant mangrove because alkaline solution buffer acidic ones. Biodiversity boundary interacts with all other boundaries and should be framed explicitly as a response variable to changes in other boundaries, and also the uses ecosystem functioning as the response variable and global species extinction rate as its control. To mitigate the breaching boundaries in Earth is to keep in balance of consuming the primary sources of humanity involving whole ecosystem cycle. Climate change encompasses global warming but refers to the broader range of changes that are happening to our planet. This include mountain glacier, accelerating ice melt, rising sea level. To mitigate the breaching boundaries is walk, bike, or take public transport, throw away less foods, reduce, reuse, repair, and recycle. Land system changes are the direct result of human decision-making at multiple scales, ranging from local landowners' decisions to national-scale land use planning and global trade agreement. Impact in Earth system. Unsustainable land use driven by urban and agricultural expansions not only cause important impact on climate but also lead to ecosystem and environmental degradation.
Freshwater use planetary boundaries has been set at 4,000 km per year. The lower limit of a 4,000 to 6,000 a year range that is considered a danger zone, as it takes us to close the risk of blue and green water-induced threshold that could have deleterious or even catastrophic impacts. Many studies have attempted to evaluate the transduration of the water planetary boundary at subglobal levels. Water has been identified as one of the planetary boundaries, highlighting the critical role played by water in functioning and stability of the Earth system. There are so many ways to mitigate freshwater use by developing water filtration system, reduced water usage, protecting wetlands, improving irrigation efficiency, increasing water storage in reservoirs,